Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. From yesterday, my trainings have started. That is the impact going on through digital mode. Virtually, it is going on, but it starts at 11 a.m. in the morning. So, up to the 11 a.m., I can deliver, I can remain with you on the digital mode. So, I felt a need to deliver something before the training starts. Dear students, your examinations are approaching fast. Yesterday, a notification was issued by the JK Bose that within 10 or 15 days we are announcing the date sheet for the class 10th and 12th. So you have to put the extra efforts, you have to do the extra hard work to crack these examinations with ease. No doubt you remained out of school for a very long duration of time, but still 1.5 month remains. You can put extra efforts, you can do hard work and crack these examinations with ease. And pandemic pressure is or scare is everywhere. You must also follow the precautionary measures in letter and spirit to save your lives first. Dear students of class 12th, subject political science, today we are dealing with one more important topic in your political science, that is NPT, Non-Proliferation Treaty. Dear students, the arm the arms race or the nuclear weapon race that started after the end of the Second World War. So the many attempts were made by the United Nations and other countries of the world to stop this nuclear race, weapon race, or to control the arms in the world, or to go for the disarmament. And so some treaties for that came into the being, and one of such treaties was NPT, that is the Non-Proliferation Treaty. This treaty simply means to stop the further growth of nuclear weapons in the world, and we should use the nuclear energy in peaceful manners, and we should not use the nuclear energy or nuclear materials for preparing the nuclear weapons by which the peace will disturb in the world. So the nuclear weapon technology and nuclear other nuclear weaponry we should stop, but this nuclear material should be used for peaceful means to have a benefit from the nuclear material. Dear students, this NPT, that's the Non-Proliferation Treaty, the negotiations for it started between 1965 and 1968 in 18th Community on Disarmament, that is the United Nations sponsored organization based on Geneva, Switzerland. Dear students, so negotiations for NPT, that is the Non-Proliferation Treaty, started between 1965 to 1968. So it was this treaty was kept open for signature in 1968, and it came into force on 1970. Remember, this treaty was to limit or to reduce or to abolish the nuclear weapons, and we should use the nuclear material in peaceful manners, and we should not go for the armaments. So you have to keep in mind this treaty was also to stop the growth of nuclear weapons in the world. Remember, it the negotiations for it started in between 65 and 68, and finally it came into force in 1970. So the treaty is was to stop the nuclear growth or nuclear weapon growth further in the world. So once again, some countries called it the discriminatory in nature because it was dividing world into nuclear haves and nuclear have-nots. By August 2016 there were 191 countries, its members, they signed the treaty. Even the North Korea signed or acceded to it 1985, but in 2003 it withdraws its name from the NPT, that's Non-Proliferation Treaty, and carried out the many nuclear explosions or nuclear weapon preparations. Dear students, even Pakistan, India, Israel, North Korea, and South Sudan did not sign Proliferation Treaty because they thought it is the treaty that is based on the discrimination. It will divide the world just like the CTBT in two spheres or into two halves. One is the nuclear halves, the nuclear have nots. India, Pakistan, Israel, North Korea, and did not sign the non-proliferation treaty or NPT because of its discriminatory nature. You might be knowing that North Korea is going for the this weapon preparation in open. It had acceded to this treaty in 1985, but it withdrew its name from this treaty in 2003. India, Pakistan, Israel, Sudan, remember, did not sign this treaty because of its discriminatory nature. So after this treaty, India, Pakistan, North Korea bomb carried out its experiment on the nuclear weapon technology. But Israel is not showing, it did not sign it is did not sign the non-proliferation treaty, but its weapon technology is not open in the world, or its nuclear capability is not open in the world in terms of weaponry. Dear students, so a non-proliferation treaty was a treaty that to stop growth of the nuclear weapons in the world and use the nuclear energy in peaceful means. In 1995, the member states of this treaty meet again and kept it open for the signature for an indefinite period. Dear students, so non-proliferation treaty was a treaty to stop the armament race in the world or to limit the armament race in the world. There are 191 parties or countries, its members, but some countries did not sign because of its discriminatory nature. Dear student, this is all about NPT. If any sort of question strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me on my number that's already in your position. And when you forward your query by any means, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Better is to concentrate on self-studies. Your examinations are approaching fast, and whenever you need any help, do call me and other teachers will guide you to so that you can crack the coming examinations with ease. Thanks. Be balanced.